Hello guys, today we're going to open the slime pack. So let's open it now, but make sure you like and subscribe. Okay? Okay. So let's open it now. Okay, it's super stretchy. Like it's stretchy. That sounded like a okay. Wow. So, guys, we'll be building this and do the slime, and then it will be messy. But we turn off the electric fan, so don't worry. Okay? We're going to put this and see if it goes messy or not. Just wait until the end. We're going to put this one. Let's play with the slime first. Woo! It's like a big happy face. Oh my god, I love the bubble sound. Wee wee. So it can make a bubble to like it can stretch well, it can like look well, you can like make wait, I also forgot something. You can make a pizza dough with it. Just we have to make it flat first. Flat like a pizza or a pancake. So we got this. Remember when we do this? When you're a child? Playing with slime is also fun, but don't forget to wash your hands after playing with slime. Because if you eat something with your hand, I don't know. I just don't know. Stretch. It's so much fun to play with slime. You can make a poop with it. Wee, 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 wee. And here's my poo-poo. You can make other times. Like you can make a circle. Try to make a square and then write the comments in my other video. Comment slime swap. So bye bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye. And part 2 we're going to put this. So bye bye guys, see you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos. Bye.